Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is linear equation in two variable. Now in the lower classes, that is in the 8th class, we have studied the linear equation in one variable. I'll give the example of linear equation in one variable, that is x plus 4 is equals to 0. Now here you can see there is only one variable is involved. So that is the linear equation in one variable, but we are going to start a new topic, that is linear equation in two variable. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers such that a and b are not both 0 is called a linear equation in two variable. I have written a general form of the equation here, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So this is a general equation of linear equation in two variable. Now you can see here this a, b and c are real number and we have two variable here, that is x and y. So that's why it is linear equation two variable, and also you can see the degree of x and y, that is the degree of this equation is 1. That is why it is called linear equation. Now here it is important to note that which a and b are not both 0. A and b both should not be 0. Both are not equals to 0. Now a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, c is the constant term. Now I write one equation, linear equation to a variable. 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. This you can see, this is linear equation two variable involving x and y, where a and b both are not 0 and c is a constant term. So in this case, a will be equals to 2, b will be equals to 3 and the constant term c will be equals to 7. So now we will be doing some question of the exercise linear equation in two variable. Now let us solve the question number 1 of exercise 4.1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So let us take the cost of notebook be rupees x. Let the cost of notebook be rupees x and that of a pen be rupees y. Now see what is the statement given. The cost of a notebook, that is x, is twice means double, is twice the cost of a pen. The cost of a pen is rupees y, so it's twice the cost of a pen, so it will become 2y. So now we have to write the linear equation two. This is in two variable x and y, these are the two variable. So we can write this equation as x minus 2y is equals to 0. So this is the linear equation in two variable to represent the statement that the cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Now let us solve the question number 2 of the exercise 4.1. This is exercise number 4.1. Express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c in each case. Now there are 8 questions here. So we will do the first part. Now 2x plus 3y is equals to 9.35 bar. We have to express in this form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So we'll write 2x plus 3y, we'll shift this side, minus 9.35 bar is equals to 0. So we have converted in this form, that is ax plus by plus c equals 0. So now what is a in this? A is the coefficient of x, you can see there. So it is 2 here. And what is b? That is the coefficient of y, that is 3, and c is the constant term, and here the constant term is minus 9.35 bar. So the value of a, b, c are 2, 3 and minus 9.35 bar. Now here this is already arranged in the ax plus by plus c form. So the value of a will be, in this case it will be 1 because the coefficient of x is 1 here, and the value of b is minus 1 upon 5 and the value of c in this case is minus 10. Now this will take third question, that is minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Now first we will arrange in this form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So we'll shift this 6 on the left hand side. So minus 2x plus 3y, this will become minus 6 is equals to 0. Now here the value of a is minus 2, the value of b is 3, and the value of c, that is the c, is minus 6. Now in this case, let's see that take the question, fourth part. I will transpose this 3 by this side to make it x minus 3y. But you can see here, we don't have c here, so I will write in the place of c, I will write 0 is equals to 0. So this is ax plus by plus c equals 0. So now value of a in this case is 1, as the coefficient of x is 1 here. The value of b is equals to minus 3. And here the constant is 0. Constant is 0. That is the value of c is 0. Now let us take the fifth part. We will shift this minus 5 this side and make it 2x plus 5y. Again here the constant term is not there, so we write 0 is equals to 0. So this is ax plus by plus c equals 0. So the value of a is 2, the value of b is 5, and the value of c is 0. Now if we see this question, it looks like it is in the one variable, so we can convert in two variable by, we don't have a y variable here, so what we can do is we write 3x plus 0 dot y. Now we have converted into two variable, plus 2 is equals to 0, because 0 into y will become 0 only. So what is a in this case now? This is 3, and b is 0, and c is 2. Now let us take the seventh part, y minus 2. Now in this you can see the x variable is missing here. So we will be writing like this, 0 dot x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. We have converted in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. Now the value of a is 0, the value of b, the coefficient of y is 1, so it is 1, and c is equals to minus 2. Now the last question, that is 5 is equals to 2x. I am shifting this or transposing 2x this side, so minus 2x, and here again you can see the variable y is missing, so we will write plus 0 dot y plus 5 is equals to 0. So in this case a will be minus 2, b will be 0, and c will be equals to 5. So this is how we can find the value of a, b and c, where a and b are real number, a, b, c are real number, and they are expressed in this form.